Zhuge Liang 181-34, courtesy named Kongming and style named Walong, was an outstanding strategist, politician, and diplomat in Chinese history. He is considered a founding father and prime minister of the Shu Han state during the Three Kingdoms period. Although he was a real historical figure in Chinese history, the image of Kongming Zhuge Liang is primarily known through the famous novel Romance of the Three Kingdoms by the writer Luo Guanzhong. Let's analyze 5 of his sayings to understand that he was a brilliant military strategist. 1. Noble without arrogance, victorious without boastfulness, wise and able to be humble, strong and able to endure. The statement noble without arrogance, victorious without boastfulness, wise and able to be humble, strong and able to endure, outlines an ideal character marked by a harmonious blend of power and humility. It presents a vision of a person who embodies noble qualities, achieves success, possesses wisdom, and demonstrates strength, all while maintaining a humble and enduring spirit. To be noble without arrogance is to possess honorable qualities such as integrity, generosity, and moral courage without falling into the trap of considering oneself superior to others. This aspect emphasizes that true nobility is not just about possessing these virtues, but also about how one carries them. An arrogant attitude can tarnish noble qualities, while humility enhances them, making nobility more authentic and admirable. Victorious without boastfulness highlights the importance of humility in success. Achieving victory, whether in personal endeavors, competitions, or battles, is commendable. However, boasting about one's achievements diminishes the value of the victory and can alienate others. Accepting success with grace and modesty not only preserves the dignity of the accomplishment, but also fosters respect and admiration from others. Wise and able to be humble underscores the balance between knowledge and humility. Wisdom involves good judgment, insight, and the ability to make sound decisions. Despite these capabilities, a truly wise person remains humble, recognizing that there is always more to learn and that others have valuable perspectives. This humility and wisdom allows for continuous growth and learning, avoiding the pitfalls of arrogance and closed-mindedness. Finally, strong and able to endure speaks to the essence of resilience. Strength, whether physical, mental, or emotional, is crucial for facing life's challenges. However, true strength is not just about power, but also about the ability to endure hardships and persevere through difficult times. Endurance complements strength, demonstrating the capacity to withstand adversity with fortitude and grace. In summary, this statement advocates for a character that is not only powerful and successful, but also deeply humble and resilient. It suggests that true greatness lies in the balance of these qualities, where virtues are complemented by a humble spirit and the ability to endure. This ideal character is one that achieves success and wisdom while remaining grounded and resilient, exemplifying the highest form of human integrity and strength. Without simplicity, one cannot clarify their will. Without tranquility, one cannot reach far. The statement without simplicity, one cannot clarify their will. Without tranquility, one cannot reach far underscores the pivotal roles of simplicity and tranquility in achieving clarity of purpose and long-term success. These qualities are presented as fundamental prerequisites for a clear vision and sustained progress. Simplicity, in this context, refers to the state of being straightforward and free from unnecessary complications. It emphasizes the importance of reducing clutter in one's life, thoughts, and goals. When faced with complexities and distractions, it becomes challenging to focus on what truly matters. Simplicity allows individuals to strip away these distractions, enabling a clear and undisturbed vision of their true intentions. By fostering simplicity, one can better understand and define their genuine purposes, making it easier to direct their efforts effectively and align their actions with their core desires. Tranquility is described as a state of calmness, peace, and mental stillness. It is crucial for achieving long-term success and making significant progress. A tranquil mind is better equipped to handle challenges, make sound decisions, and persevere over time. Without tranquility, individuals are more likely to be overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, and turbulence, which can hinder their ability to reach distant goals. Tranquility provides the mental peace and stability necessary to navigate obstacles and maintain steady progress, ensuring that one can continue moving forward despite difficulties. Together, simplicity and tranquility create a foundation for both clarity of purpose and enduring success. Simplicity allows individuals to focus on their true goals without being sidetracked by extraneous elements. Tranquility, on the other hand, provides the calmness and stability needed to pursue these goals persistently and effectively. The integration of these qualities ensures that one's vision remains clear and their progress steady, enabling them to achieve significant and sustained accomplishments. In summary, the statement emphasizes that simplicity and tranquility are not merely desirable traits, but essential ones for those seeking to define their purpose clearly and achieve long-term success. By fostering simplicity, individuals can clarify their intentions and align their efforts with their true goals. By cultivating tranquility, they can maintain the mental peace and stability necessary to navigate challenges and make steady progress. Together, these qualities form a powerful foundation for achieving clarity of purpose and enduring success. 3. Without learning, one cannot broaden their abilities. Without determination, one cannot achieve their studies. The statement "without learning, one cannot broaden their abilities." Without determination, one cannot achieve their studies underscores the essential roles of learning and determination in personal and academic development. It emphasizes that both are crucial for expanding one's skills and successfully attaining educational goals. Learning is the foundation for personal growth and skill enhancement. It involves acquiring knowledge, skills, and competencies through study, experience, or teaching. Without engaging in continuous learning, individuals cannot expand their abilities. Learning exposes people to new ideas, techniques, and perspectives which are essential for developing and broadening their capabilities. Stagnation in learning leads to stagnation in personal and professional development, implying that ongoing education is necessary for growth. Determination is the driving force behind achieving academic success. It refers to the firmness of purpose and the resolve to achieve goals despite challenges and obstacles. The process of studying often involves overcoming difficulties, persevering through challenging subjects, and maintaining motivation over time. Without determination, students may give up when faced with obstacles, thereby failing to achieve their academic goals. Determination fuels persistence and effort, enabling students to push through setbacks and complete their studies. Together, learning and determination form a synergistic relationship essential for personal and academic success. Learning provides the content and context for growth, offering new knowledge and skills that expand one's abilities. Community relations. In communities, fostering respect in. Practicing yielding promotes cohesion, solidarity, and a sense of belonging. The statement serves as a reminder that intellectual growth and academic achievements are not just the results of acquiring knowledge, but also of the persistent effort and resolve to apply and master that knowledge. It encourages a balanced approach to education where continuous learning is paired with steadfast determination, ensuring comprehensive personal and academic development. Ultimately, the interplay between learning and determination fosters the broadening of abilities and the successful attainment of academic goals, highlighting their indispensable roles in achieving long-term success. 4. Those who plan ahead remain safe. Those who do not are in danger. The statement, those who plan ahead remain safe, those who do not are in danger, underscores the crucial importance of foresight and preparation in ensuring safety and stability. It posits that proactive planning is a key strategy for mitigating risks and protecting against potential dangers, while the lack of planning leaves individuals vulnerable to harm. Planning ahead involves anticipating future events, considering potential outcomes, and making arrangements in advance to address them. This proactive approach enables individuals to develop contingency plans, allocate resources effectively, and prepare for various scenarios. By doing so, they create a buffer against unforeseen events, reducing the likelihood of negative consequences. Planning ahead allows for a structured approach to navigating uncertainties, ensuring that individuals remain safe and secure. The foresight involved in planning helps identify and address potential challenges before they arise, thereby enhancing stability and protection. In contrast, those who do not plan are exposed to increased risks and dangers. The absence of foresight and preparation leaves individuals vulnerable to unforeseen events and challenges. Without planning, they lack the necessary strategies and resources to respond effectively to crises, making them more susceptible to harm. This reactive rather than proactive approach often results in suboptimal decision-making and increased danger. When faced with emergencies, those who have not planned ahead find themselves scrambling to respond, often without the necessary tools or strategies in place, leading to heightened exposure to risks. The statement emphasizes the critical role of planning and safeguarding against risks and ensuring a secure and stable future. It highlights that those who plan ahead are better equipped to handle future uncertainties, thereby remaining safe. Conversely, those who do not plan are more likely to face danger and adverse consequences. This underscores the value of proactive planning as a means of mitigating risks and maintaining safety. In summary, the statement advocates for the importance of foresight and preparation in maintaining safety and stability. It illustrates that planning ahead is essential for protecting against potential dangers, while the lack of planning increases vulnerability to harm. By emphasizing the benefits of proactive planning and the risks associated with its absence, the statement reinforces the necessity of foresight and preparation in achieving a secure and stable future. 5. Indolence cannot reveal clarity, and impatience cannot cultivate reason. The statement, indolence cannot reveal clarity, and impatience cannot cultivate reason, underscores the detrimental impact of laziness and impatience on achieving clarity and developing rational thinking. It suggests that these traits hinder the processes necessary for understanding and sound judgment. Indolence or laziness obstructs the path to clarity. Achieving clarity in thoughts, understanding, or tasks requires effort, focus, and diligence. Laziness leads to procrastination and a lack of engagement, preventing individuals from delving deeply into issues or problems. Without putting in the necessary work, one cannot achieve a clear and thorough understanding. Clarity comes from active engagement and the willingness to put in the time and effort needed to analyze and comprehend complex matters. Therefore, Inland stands in direct opposition to the pursuit of clear understanding. Impatience, on the other hand, undermines the development of rational thinking. Cultivating reason requires time, careful consideration, and reflection. Impatience leads to hasty decisions and superficial understanding, which are antithetical to the careful analysis and thoughtful deliberation needed for sound reasoning. Rational thinking involves weighing options, considering evidence, and thinking through consequences, all of which require patience. Impatience disrupts this process, leading to impulsive actions and poor judgment, and thus stands in the way of nurturing a rational and thoughtful mindset. The statement emphasizes that achieving clarity and cultivating reason are processes requiring specific virtues, diligence, and patience. Indolence and impatience are significant impediments to these processes. Clarity and reason are the outcomes of disciplined effort and the ability to take the necessary time to understand and analyze. To achieve clarity and develop rational thinking, one must overcome laziness and impatience, embracing diligence and patience instead. This underscores the importance of these virtues in the pursuit of understanding and sound judgment. Clarity requires the active effort to delve deeply and analyze critically, while reason demands the patience to consider options and reflect thoughtfully. Overcoming the barriers of indolence and impatience is essential for anyone seeking to cultivate a clear and rational mindset. In summary, the statement highlights that clarity and reason are born from effort and patience, virtues that are directly opposed to laziness and impatience. To foster understanding and sound judgment, individuals must commit to diligent work and patient reflection, recognizing these qualities as essential in their personal and intellectual growth.